This is going to be the one. This guy has actually called me back. But I was on the phone closing a deal.
Hello?
Hey, is Michael there?
Yes, this is him.
Hey, Michael, this is RJ Bates calling about your property on Franklin Street. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, you had entered it on my website saying that you were looking to sell that property. Are you still looking to sell?
Yeah, I am.
Awesome. How much are you looking to get for the property?
I'd like to get 20, maybe 25 for it. I'd like to get 25, but I'm not sure if I can.
All right. What's going on with the property?
Well, it's an 1878 Victorian in downtown Reedsville, North Carolina. And it had some roof damage from a fire that happened up in the upstairs room, so it burned up one of the upstairs bedrooms.
Okay.
And so it'll have to have a new roof.
Gotcha. What about the
downstairs is good. The upstairs, all the plaster and all, was already ripped all that out of it. The framing and all is good, except for the side wall where the fire happened.
Gotcha. Did you have insurance on it or no?
No, I bought it like that. It was bought when I bought it.
Oh, okay. Have you had any estimates on how much it would cost to repair it?
For the roof, the last one I had was like $21,000, but that was going back with a solid metal roof like it had.
Gotcha.
Because it was being an older house, the way they done the roofs back then, they don't do them that way now because, they don't have, there's no plywood up there. It's just raft boards basically across the main rafters, and then the roof is nailed to that.
Gotcha. And the address is 109 South Franklin, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me a
Like
sec.
I said, the downstairs is good. There wasn't any other than just little smoke damage downstairs. But no issue with any of that. Just the one rear room would burn up some.
And so what was your plan with the property? What were you going to do with it?
Well, I was going to fix it and move into it. That was my plan. And I got a great deal on it, but after seeing how much the roof was and everything else, I don't know that I can do that.
Gotcha. What is that across the street from it? Is that a school?
That's a school. That's a Christian school kind of thing. Yeah, it's like a church school.
Let's see. How much land comes with it?
It's one city lot. I think it's 100 feet by like 70. And there's two empty lots on either side of it. There's grassy lots on either side where the houses aren't there anymore.
Right.
But they are part of it.
Gotcha.
But it doesn't make it look that way. If my plan was to actually buy one of those lots and add to my property possibly.
Right. That's why I was asking because, looking at it, it's like, man, there's a lot of land on each side of the property, but there's not what is that behind you? Because there's just trees directly behind the house. So what's going on there?
A dip back there that's like a ravine, kind of like a deep ravine that goes down and drops down below there.
Uh-huh.
And that, I think, belongs to the city. I'm not sure.
Gotcha. Okay.
But it has a good, like I said, it has a nice sized backyard, fenced in. It's got new electrical done in it. It's got new water heater and all that has been done fairly recent. I had the electrician come out and redo some of the wiring and stuff. And so it's pretty much all the new wiring, except for what's upstairs where it'll have to be redone where it got burned.
Like, how long ago are you talking about?
That was last year, probably close to the beginning of last year.
Okay. Give me just a second, man. I'm trying to find information and see what I can do here. It's like pulling teeth.
Yeah, I can understand that.
So it's 2,200 square feet. What about like kitchens and bathrooms? All that's is it down to the studs?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear quite all that.
Like the kitchens and bathrooms and stuff. Is that down to the studs and that needs to be redone?
No. The upstairs bathroom is actually tiled and is in decent shape. You know, it needs a new toilet and stuff like that, I think. But as far as the upstairs bathroom, it's fine. The downstairs bathroom had been completely redone. So it's all fairly new stuff in there. It's got a nice tub with shower and toilet and vanity and floors. So like I said, the downstairs, other than just cleaning, is in pretty good condition. I was going to take it has paneling on the walls, and I was actually going to remove all that, which is where the smoke damage is somewhat anyway, take all that paneling off because the plaster behind it was in good shape everywhere I found so far.
Gotcha.
And the kitchen is actually built on, it actually had a kitchen addition built onto the back of the house. So it has a kitchen, a nice walk-in kitchen with a pantry, a closet, and then there's a little hall behind it that goes to the laundry room, which has a closet, a rack, and a sink and everything for the laundry room.
I see. All right. What if I said I could do 20,000 cash? I cover the closing costs, no commissions, nothing like that. Just 20,000 to your pocket, and if you owe anything on it, it comes out of that 20,000. But I'll pay for everything else.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
All right. Let's do it. Let me see if I got your information. I got your email as.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write up a contract. I'm going to send it over to you.
Okay.
Would you like for me to do that now and just send it over so you can ask any questions?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Give me just a few minutes here.
Yeah, whenever you want to get something, if you got stuff to do, I mean, because I'm at work right now, get ready to head to lunch here in a few minutes.
Okay, well then how about this? I'll just get it written up and then you can look at it while you're at lunch and you can just call me back if you got any questions, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, appreciate it, Mike.
All right, yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Just need these people to answer the phone. Answer the phone, we get it closed. Lead Zolo, baby. $100 lead. How many times do I have to call him? I don't know. That's probably the 6th time I've called him.